Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play the manager mode and how to build the tactics in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video for the beginner or new into the game. Previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now is EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So let's get started by tap the play button and go to the manager mode. Tap. As you can see, this is the season 1 of manager mode. This is a current leader and this is your rank. And how you can build a tactic is in here. So you can use this tactic or you can edit this tactic like this. Just tap it: speed, passing distance, control. You can customize it: counter, defensive. I think in control, counter and defensive is by default, but you can edit. And this is this custom. The custom is based on your preference, and please be careful if you are using this custom. You have to knowing more your player, but it's quite challenging if you use this custom tactics. But if you want to play simple game, just use the default tactics. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.